Hi guys, this is Agota from Goild, and I would like to show you some different ways how to decorate your own roll-on bottles. Are you ready? Let's do this! Today I'm gonna show you how to use a very easy technique to make these gorgeous confetti bottles. Are you ready? It's so easy to make these bottles. I bet once you watch this tutorial, you will start to go through your kids' craft stuff to try it out. I'm gonna show you a simple way to cover your roller bottle with confetti and glitter. To prepare the bottles for the glitter and confetti, it is important to clean the surface with alcohol to remove any grease and dust. I put hooks in them so I can maneuver the bottles and hang them up for drying. If you don't have any hooks, check out my arts and craft supplies video for bottle art. It has some tips on how to make your own hooks. And the secret is revealed. For this project you only need a confetti glitter glue. That's all. If you wanna make some of this at home, just grab some clear glue and some glitter and confetti and mix them together in 2:1 ratio. So now the fun part is coming. I squeeze a small amount on the paper tray and then cover the bottle with the glue using a brush. Be careful and check out if any confetti is sticking out. If you see any, you should smooth it out, otherwise the confetti will drop off. Okay. Now I'm done with the first one. I'm gonna put it on the dryer rack. Okay, actually you don't need to squeeze out the glue on the tray, you can squeeze it out right on the bottle. Like this, you can see? Okay, it's also ready to go for drying. Now let's do the last one. Just squeeze it on the bottle. After I'm done covering the bottles, I hang them on the dryer rack and wait a few hours until they are dried. Now they are dried, but the confetti and the glitter keep dropping off, so we need to seal them. You see, there's one of them. To get a nice, durable and transparent seal, I have found gel polish from Crystal Nails to be the most effective. Instead of just brushing the surface, I pour a bit of gel on the bottle and smooth it out. Now it's done, no confetti sticking out. Okay, make sure it's fully covered, you don't want to have any gaps. Now let's cure it for 3 minutes. Okay, it's cured. Nice and smooth. I like it. So you can choose different gemstone roller top or just go for the metallic one. I choose rose quartz for the pink confetti. For these bottles I made a set, one with the roller, one with the spray top and one with the dropper top. So this is a set. For the purple confetti I choose amethyst gemstone. And for the blue confetti I choose lapis lazuli gemstone. Now, are you ready to dig in your crafty stuff for confetti? If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell. Also check out my Etsy shop, you can find there these bottles and more. Send us a picture if you create one of these, we love seeing your creativity. If you use Instagram, please use the hashtag RoseGoildDIY and it will show up on our page. Thanks for watching, happy crafting!